front of me is XIAOMI Pad 6, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app, and when you find it, click on it. Then select this gear at the top right corner of Recording section and adjust all of those options however you wish to, like for example, Format. When you are done, tap on the top left corner, and to start your recording, hit this red button. If you never used Recorder before, select while using and allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, after that, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to this left button. In order to add a bookmark, click on the right one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can play it by tapping on it. If you want to delete it, hold it instead, and then select Delete option at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to rename it though, you can hold it again, but this time select Rename section at the top, type in wherever you want to, and hit OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!